Today we're gonna do a chemical reaction and create our very own slime. I have a cup of water, 1 cup of glue. Get those two mixed together. I'm mixing it really well together. And we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of borax to our water to create a borax solution. Once all of that's dissolved, then we're gonna mix the two together and make our slime. We're gonna add some green to our glue water solution. Now, this slime isn't slime yet. The borax acts like a little missing link and allows these glue molecules, which are polymers, to connect. Oh, that is awesome. Gross. And after a while, it's gonna become perfect. Super slime. Until next time, keep learning. Full steam ahead.